Baby spinach omelet. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 cup torn baby spinach leaves, 1 1/2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: in a bowl, beat the eggs, and stir in the baby spinach and Parmesan cheese. Season with onion powder, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. In a small skillet coated with cooking spray over medium heat, cook the egg mixture about 3 minutes, until partially set. Flip with a spatula, and continue cooking 2 to 3 minutes. Reduce heat to low, and continue cooking 2 to 3 minutes, or to desired doneness.